seeing the looks on their faces when they answer our questions, right?
Yeah.
That's priceless, both the students and the teachers.
I think for me, at least in the Scotland visit, we got to feel the atmosphere, which kind of goes along with the looks. There's just something you can't put into writing that translates into emotions and the attitude toward, you can say all you want in a paper that they have a good attitude toward their teachers, but it's another thing when you hear the language and hear the respect that colleagues have for one another and for their students as you're going through.
Our visit today, I just feel inspired in the education, and I just feel like there's faith. I feel like there's hope for our education, and I feel like we actually have a chance.
It was interesting to get the real life example of something that wasn't quite exactly what I was expecting to see.
Today I learned that success is not determined by demographics. It's determined by commitment and hard work and dedication to the students first.
I'd like to add too, I think especially here, the assistant head teacher talked about that the teachers had the skills and training and they were ready to be an outstanding school. They just weren't necessarily, they didn't have all of their systems in place that would allow that teaching to shine through. So systems of common language and non-negotiables that were built together as a staff were the things that they commented were the things that really took them from being a needs improvement school to being one that is regarded by the government as outstanding.
I'm just really excited. Teaching is teaching everywhere. Students are students everywhere. Students with autism in London are like students with autism in Indiana. It's just exciting to see how they do things, how we're similar, how we're different, how we can grow. It's very energizing stuff.
How are you? What'd you learn?
Oh my gosh, so much. I can't even articulate it yet.
Okay.